Everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll show you how to change the layout of the keyboards on your iPad Magic Keyboard. So the first thing you're going to do, just tilt that for you so it's easier to see. The first thing you're going to do is make sure that our keyboard is connected to the iPad, and then we're going to click on Settings, then select General, and scroll down until you find Keyboard. So click on Keyboard, and then click on Hardware Keyboard. And here you have all of the settings that you can change in your keyboard, and what you're looking for is this top section. So in this top section you have all of the languages that you have added to your keyboard, and once you click on whatever language you want to change the layout of, you will be taken to this menu where you can select any layout that you want. So once you've selected the layout, you can just return to the keyboard and check it out by just opening up a typing field and just checking out if it works. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.